All right, boys and girls, welcome back to Drive Through. A little help with 9 and 10. Okay, if I wasn't into following directions, which you know that I'm not, I could determine the number of real solutions by just using our graphing calculator. So let's see if I can move this thing over here. All right, y equals negative 12x squared plus 5x plus 2. Now, if I graph this thing and it hits the x-axis twice, which it does, the answer is going to be 2 solutions. If it hits it once, there'll be 1 solution. If it doesn't hit it, there'll be no solutions. But if I didn't have a graphing calculator, the best way to do this is to figure out the value of the determinant. Now, the determinant is minus b, b squared minus 4ac. Excuse me, not. So it's b squared minus 4ac. It's what's in the square root in the quadratic formula. Okay, so this would be 25 minus negative 4 times negative 12 is, so it's going to be plus 96 minus a negative 96, right? Is that right? Yeah. So the determinant, now if it's positive, then there's 2 solutions, 2 real solutions. Okay? If it's 0, no, it's not. Then there is 1 real solution. And if it's negative, then there are 0 real solutions because they are both imaginary. Okay? So let's look at number 10. Negative 1 squared is 1 minus 24, negative 23. This should be 0 real solutions. Now let's graph it and see what our graphing calculator tells us. What? So if I graph this, y equals x squared minus x plus 6. It should hit the graph 0 times. Yep. It's always going to hit the y. Yep. There is no value that we can put in for y to give us 0 for x. Okay? Does that help? Yep. Boom!